Okay, hello all. We are going to do the second part of the statistic. That is the organization of data. We are going to make this data to a table. That is the table we have like this. We will move them to the data, and we will use the trolley. In Chinese, it's called 畫記. And the frequency in Chinese, it's called 頻數. That means it appears how many times in this figure. So we will use the table to draw this one, which is called the frequency distribution table. 頻數組合嘅表, so that for the data. And then after that, we can find out the answer for some for the table, so that you can have some question like part B. So let's look at the teaching example 30.1. Below are the number of traffic accidents happened in a certain city in the past 30 days. 30 days. And then construct a frequency distribution table. Okay, this one is always discrete, so why don't we draw something like this first? We will draw three parts of it. One, the first one we need to do is the number of accidents. Okay, we have something like this. And then the second part is trolley. And the third part is called the frequency. Okay, now we're going to draw it. Because it's obvious from 0 to 5, they are discrete, and obviously we can show it easily. So why don't we draw it one by one? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, a little bit longer. 4 and 5, so that we can draw the trolley through this data. So why don't we draw it now one by one? The first one is 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. Oh, okay, just draw it. Right? 1, 2, 4, 5, 3. We draw the trolley. That means I mark 1 for them. 3, 0, 1, 5, 2. 3, 0, 1, 5, 2. Okay, this is the second part. 5, 0, 2, 3, 1. 5, 0, 2, 3, 1. And then 3, 2, 0, 4, 1. 3, 2, 0, 4, 1. Okay, 20. Okay, 3, 3, 2, 1, 3, many 3. 3, 3, 2, 1, 3. Okay, we have something like this. And finally, we have 14050. 14050. Okay, we have 30. So we count it. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 trolley. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 trolley. 1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 3, 4. Okay, we add them together. The total, okay, we move it here. The total, is it correct or not? The total, 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 plus 7 is 23. 23 plus 3 is 26. 30. So it's correct. So this is the part A. We are going to draw the trolley. For part B, we are going to find the number of days which has less than 2 traffic accidents. Less than 2 means 小於2 in Chinese. That means you are only allowed to count the 0 and 1. So the answer for this one is 5 plus 6. That is 11 days. This is the answer for part B. And we are using the table because it's 5 and 6. We add them together, so you get 11 days. Okay, now this is your turn. We are going to do the question 2, the correct practice 13.1. Now I will give you some time to draw it. Now, please pause the video now. And then after that, if you finish drawing the table, then please once again play this video. Okay, I will present the answer in 5 seconds. So please now pause your video. Okay, now the answer for the quick practice 30.1 is this one. Okay, I've drawn the table. And the A is here. And for B, you will add them together, 7 plus 3 plus 4, so you got 14 students. Because this one is 4 or more, that means we must count 4. 4, 5, 6. So we have this answer for question practice 13.1. Okay, now we will go to teaching example 13.2. Let's look at the questions. Okay, the points scored by a basketball team in 24 games are listed below. The team manager organized the data into the following frequency distribution table. A lists 2 points that the manager has not organized the data appropriately. That means you are going to tell me that 2 things that the manager does not do good in this table. Okay, the first one I must tell you that it is much better for us to do to draw the frequency table is that we must have around. Number 1. It does not have enough groups for data. Only 2. It's not good for us that we only have 2 groups for the data. The best way that I suggest that you will have the data is that we recommend, that means that we suggest, 我哋建議 that we must have how many groups? 4 to 6 groups. It's much better for us to use the data with 4 to 6 groups. It's much better for us to present the data easily. So this is the first part. The second part we will have that is the 22 to 92, 93 to 121. We find it so difficult for us to count because 92 to 72, how many numbers you have? 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, etc., etc. We will find that there are about 21 numbers here. And for 121 to 93, this is more horrible. You will find that there are 29 data here. So it's not good for us. That means we must always have the range. We always want the group length are equal. For the second one, I want to ask, the answer is that the group length is not equal. The group length is not equal in each group. This is not good also. So we must make them, each group is easiest for us to have the same length of it. What is the meaning of the same length? So let's draw the part B for us. For part B, we're going to draw the same length of it and we must have 5 groups of it. Why don't we have each group of them, we have 10 numbers so that they have the same length, 10 numbers every time. Here, points scored. Once again, 20, once again, and then finally the frequency. Okay, frequency. So let us draw the table one by one. So we will starting from every 10 number. So first number is 72. So I'm 72 to 81. Why you have 10 numbers here? Because you can say 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 30, and 81. So we have 10 numbers. The next group, we have 82 to 91. Once again, they have same 10 numbers. They have the same group length. So we have 10 numbers, right? And then now next one is 92 to 101. And the next one is called 102 to 111. Okay, I make one more group for 121. So the last one is 112 to 121. And then we have 5 groups. So it's much better for us that we have something that between 4 to 6. So we have 5 groups of it. So, and also the length is that every group will have 10 numbers inside. So we have 2. We must reorganize the data something like this. Okay, so let us do it together to count it. The first one is come from 75. So we have 75. The second one is 94. The third one is 99. 107, 103, 86, 92, 101. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8. Okay, next one, 118, 92, and then 108, 80, 98, 109, and then 100, and then 88. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 4 plus 7, 11, and 4, 15, or 16, correct. Okay, the last row, 72, 86, 117, 88, and then 79, and then 99, 97, and finally 121. So we draw all these of them. So you have 4, 4, 9, 4, 3. Okay, let's count them together. 9 plus 3 is 12. 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 12. So this is 24. Okay, so this table is correct. So we will have the same group length, and also we have 5 groups. So we will get the answer for part B. And then now for quick practice 14.2, now we are going to draw another table, and we find that it's good or not. Now I'll give you the questions. Okay, now for part A, we think that the table is good or not good. Is good or not good? And then second one, we will have also the do you think that the group is enough or not? Okay, now I will give you time to do this question. So first of all, please pause the video now. And after 5 seconds, I will present the answer for you all. So please pause the video when you are doing, okay? Okay, now this is the data for quick practice 14.2. Okay, for part A, if I think the answer is no, because each group of data has different range, that means the different group length. So B, we can make it to the 6th group of it, because all of them will have the same length, 4.0 to 4.9. This is much easier for us to count, because every time we see 4 start, we can mark here to 20, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, etc., etc. And we collect this data. Okay, this is the end of this video. So thanks for watching, and please make sure that you know how to do the collection of data and the organization of data. In the next video, we will show the diagram, then you know very well that is the Boukinac graph. You will also have some bar chart, the pictogram, and even also the pie chart. Okay, so see you in next video. Bye bye.